Hi! In front of me is Vivo Y52 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can enable or disable high contrast text on this device. Firstly, go into settings. Now you need to scroll all the way down and tap on shortcuts and accessibility. Then scroll all the way down again and tap on accessibility. Now you need to scroll down one more time and click on the sweater next to high contrast text. As you can see, higher contrast is now on. You can always turn it off though by clicking at the same sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!